Let's look at how New Relic can identify exploitable vulnerabilities in your application code. By taking a proactive approach early in your software delivery lifecycle, you're reducing the potential for security incidents, with all the impact they have on uptime, customer experience, and brand recognition. Remember, SAST tools, which scan your source code looking for patterns, and DAST tools, which have no application-level visibility, both generate many false positive findings. That teaches people not to trust them, so time and effort is wasted on proving that new findings are false. New Relic's IAST is different. It's testing a complete running application with visibility into the app's internal workings. We're able to provide findings that include the specific location of the vulnerable code and a proof of exploit. That substantially reduces the time and effort required to recognize and fix problems, and the time needed to verify that the fix is actually correct. As an engineering manager, security analyst, or SRE, I need to know where most of my risks are coming from and where my blind spots are. Let's see how that works. Here we're seeing information about IAST coverage. I have immediate visibility into which applications are well tested and which need expanded coverage. Even more importantly, I can see which applications have no IAST coverage at all. These are my blind spots. There may be vulnerabilities here that I'll never know about. Fortunately, I can easily get guidance on how to instrument these applications with New Relic to eliminate the blind spot. I'm able to see where my known security risks are and where my unknown risks may be hiding. Because this is coupled with New Relic's observability topology information, I can then easily prioritize risk reduction efforts, ensuring that I'm working at the most important things first. It's also important for me to understand the types of risk being introduced into my application environment. Here I can see just that. First, I can drill into my most vulnerable applications so I can understand their security posture and identify gaps. Now I'm seeing the vulnerabilities that are in my application code. Remember again, these are real, reachable vulnerabilities, not theoretical, and definitely not false positives. I can drill down to get details on the vulnerability, including that all-important proof of exploit. Now, I see a complete overview of my application's security posture. I can see how many APIs and methods have been tested and how many have been found vulnerable. I can then look at detailed information on exactly which APIs are being exercised and found vulnerable. And I can see which methods in my application are being exercised. Unlike other tools, New Relic IAST has visibility into the internals of your fully assembled application, so we can pinpoint exactly which APIs and methods are being exercised, and, even more importantly, which aren't. This means you can identify where the gaps are in your risk analysis. By addressing them, you're increasing both software quality and safety. Now, let's look at the types of vulnerabilities that are appearing in our environment. It's important that we characterize the types of risk that are present, so we can recognize new trends. Once again, I'm not only reducing risks, I'm helping to increase code quality. Here we can see that we keep finding SQL injection vulnerabilities in the inventory service. I can use that information to help the services engineering team see the risks so they can adjust their coding practices. If other vulnerability types start to trend upwards, I can work with engineering to determine why that's happening. It may be that the team needs additional coaching on safe coding practices. Again, by doing this, I'm preventing small problems from becoming pervasive big problems. This saves money, time, and reduces risks. New Relic has built even more security into the software delivery lifecycle, making it easier for you to efficiently identify and reduce your risks. IAST helps your engineering teams by identifying real, reachable vulnerabilities in both applications and APIs early, before they get into production, where they can do real damage. It provides proof of exploit, so everyone knows the problem is real. That information also gives your SREs and security team a complete picture showing where your vulnerabilities are coming from, as well as where your blind spots are. Remember, unknown risks may be hiding there. By integrating these powerful security capabilities into our industry-leading observability platform, New Relic equips you to proactively manage security risks throughout the software delivery lifecycle, safeguarding your systems and ensuring that you minimize the impact security incidents have on uptime, customer experience, and brand recognition. Thank you.